Dear audience, welcome back to my daily disaster channel. Today we informing you about recent strong earthquake update. A magnitude 5.5 earthquake near Pingtung, Taiwan was reported. German Research Center for Geosciences, considered one of the key international agencies that monitor seismic activity worldwide. The earthquake occurred at a shallow depth of 10 km beneath the epicenter in the morning on Friday, April 8, 2022 at local time 7:36 am. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within next few hours. Thanks for watching.